What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the radiator on a Mazda 626. So it's been hella hot out here in Cali. Like, we talking about 80 up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me show you guys the forecast. Give me a second. Bam, check that out. See that? I mean, at 87 right now, and look at that. Look at that. It be hot out here. I don't know how much that is in Celsius, but it just know it's been hella hot. So the little baby radiator on the Mazda couldn't handle the heat and just out of nowhere started leaking coolant. Luckily, I catched it. I mean, I seen the cooling spills and I was like, you know what? Maybe it's just AC, but I knew it was coolant. It was way too much in the front of the engine. So I ordered a radiator from eBay. I just got it, so we're gonna go replace the radiator, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this. This is going to be like a vlog style how-to video. I want to try this out and see if you guys like this kind of videos, and then you guys can let me know if I should start doing this for my Jag videos and the Grand Marquis, where it's a video where I pretty much show you guys how to do it, but also show a little bit of behind the scene, maybe some uncut footage where I pretty much messed up, so you guys can see the real version of me, because I know you guys might watch my videos and be like, oh man, he's, you know, perfect. I'm close to it, but I'm not. So let's get to it. Remove the reservoir hose from the radiator. Remove the air intake tube. Loosen the drain plug with a socket and ratchet. Make sure you have a catch pan underneath the car to catch the coolant spill. Got it out. Remove the radiator mounting brackets and the cooling reservoir bolts. Remove the reservoir. Remove the top and lower radiator hoses. Good thing I had the catch pan underneath the car to catch any coolant spills. Yeah. Unplug the electric fans. Use a 19mm socket to remove the top transmission cooling line and use a 19mm wrench to remove the bottom line. So you guys, gotta keep on my tools and things. The trunk on the XJ40 fit all of this nicer and way more organizer. Nicer and more organizer. Wow, great word selection, Jesse. Yeah, big ass. The new radiator may come with new bolts, but double check they're the same length. If not, use the old bolts. I ended up reusing the copper washers. It's recommended to replace them. Damn, check out that tan. Ooh, those muscles. Damn, I gotta wrap it up. I only got about 20 minutes worth of recording since I misplaced my 64 gig memory card and I'm using a 32 gig. I gotta go buy a new one now. And I'm supposed to go and eat at 7:30. And I told myself that I need to finish this before the sun goes down. At least we got the... What the fuck? Excuse me, guys. So I ordered this radiator from eBay, and guess how much it cost me? Take a guess. Wrong. It was only $70. Hella cheap. A radiator for a Jag is $500 and $100 used. And for this little piece of shit Mazda 626, it's only 70 bucks. But look at that crap. Damaged. Wait, is it supposed to be like that? No, that shit's bent for sure. Look at the little piece of shit radiator. No wonder it cracked. Could barely withstand the heat. Alright, now we have to move the electric fans to the new radiator. And of course, since it's an eBay part, the electric fans won't fit properly on this aftermarket radiator. The two mounting bolts fit fine on the other side, on this left side, but on the right side, they will not align correctly. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna end up stripping the bolts, but it's okay. This is something for zip ties. Oh, I'm an idiot. On the other side, it's closed, so I could zip tie it. I got this, you guys. Hold on. Always find these solutions. And then on this side. Alright. See, there you go. Oh, let's get to it. Of course I finished before the sun down. Who the fuck you think I am? This is XJ Jesse, certified YouTube mechanic. Got my diploma from the streets. Shit, I need to use my right hand. I got this. You better fucking start. I'll send you to the junkyard. The radiator transplant was a success. This piece of shit whip gets to see the road another day. All thanks to Dr. Jesse. And thank you guys for watching. Late. Alright, you guys, so the last thing that you need to do before you start the Jag. Alright, you guys, so I didn't get a clip of the last thing, but pretty much you have to fill up the radiator with coolant and just pour it up slowly, because the system will be burping out the air bubbles, so it can make a mess. It looks like it's filling up right away, and then it just starts burping the air system and then goes down. So just be patient. Pour like about a gallon, I think it was a gallon, yeah, of coolant. And then the rest you'll pour it in the coolant reservoir. You'll close the radiator, start the car, let it idle until it gets to operating temperature, which is halfway on the gauge, on the cooling gauge. And then check the coolant reservoir. Do not open the radiator cap. So you'll check the coolant reservoir. If it's empty, fill it up again, let it idle, check the reservoir again. And if it's stayed in the same level, then go ahead and cruise around on the Mazda for a bit, maybe 10-15 minutes. Come back, park the car, let it cool down, and then before you go on your second ride, you want to check the coolant reservoir again. If it's empty, fill it up, and if it's, you know, if it's still in the same level, then you're good. It took about a gallon and a half for my Mazda, which should be the same for your Mazda. So gallon and a half. All right, you guys, hopefully y'all found this video helpful. I know I don't have Mazda subscribers, but if you're a viewer, you don't need to subscribe, but I hope you found this video helpful. Shit, I can't even fucking talk. Helpful, and you enjoy your Mazda. All right, you guys, I'm leaving. I'm not gonna edit this. I don't care. I be getting tired of redoing clips. You guys have no idea how long these videos be taking me just to be getting 100 views. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. You know what I appreciate more? Fuck the views. I appreciate more when people like leave those comments and tell me like, hey, the video helped me out. Thank you. You know, that shit. You know, I don't get no good morning text messages, but I get positive comments, and that keeps me going. All right, late.